Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. If you're new here, definitely leave me a comment down below. I'll be sure to welcome you. If you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel if you like couponing content. That's what I post. I post for a ton of different stores. And if this video helps you, definitely leave me a like because it helps me out so much. So today we are at CVS, and I'm really excited to be at CVS this week, even more than usual, because there's two great promotions going on this week. The first that I'm really excited about is a spend 30 get 10 or spend 45 get a $15 extra care bug promotion. That's much better than what we normally get. Normally we've been getting a spend 40 get 10. And those promotions include high ticket items like Tide, Bounty, Charmin, Scott. So I have a couple different breakdowns for that deal this week. We're gonna get Tide for super cheap. That's the item that I have my eyes on. And then the second amazing promotion that CVS has going on for the next 2 weeks is their beauty event. So we're gonna get 10% back of our beauty spend as an extra care buck after this beauty event is over. This beauty event runs through the next 2 sales cycles. So this sales cycle and then next week's sales cycle. For the next 2 weeks, you're gonna get 10% back of everything you spend on beauty as an extra care buck. So that's amazing because we're already gonna be getting beauty items for free, cheap, or a moneymaker. And then we're gonna get 10% back on top of that. It's a great week to start if you're a new couponer. It's an amazing week to start and build up your extra care bucks. So with all that being said, let's get in store and break all these deals down and get a bunch of stuff for free, cheap, or a moneymaker. We got such good new printable coupons, so do not miss the opportunity to click the link in the description box down below, the first link to print the new printable coupons. We got 3F2 Garnier Fructis and Garnier Whole Blends printable coupons that will pair well with digitals that we got. They will make for a glitch deal. We got $2 off Persil printables, which are amazing, $2 off a bunch of sun care, high value $4 CoverGirl printable coupons for eye and face products, and a $2.50 off one Playtex tampon coupon that's for a new product that will definitely make for good deals. So don't forget to print those so you have them in upcoming weeks. The first deal of the week is on Kellogg's cereal. So the best deal is to buy the teal box of the Kellogg's Brown Sugar Cinnamon. That variety is also on sale for $1.99. You're going to want to at least pick up 2 of them for a total of $3.98 and use the $1 off 2 printable coupon. That's from kellogg'sfamilyrewards.com. You just need an account and then you'll be able to sign in and print that coupon. You'll pay $2.98, but then you're going to submit to Ibotta for $1 back on each box, getting you a total of $2 back, which would make the 2 just 98 cents for both, or 49 cents each. If your store doesn't have that variety, or you don't like that variety, you want to get other varieties, that's totally fine. They'll also be $1.99. You're again going to want to pick up at least 2 of them for $3.98. Use a $1 off 2 printable coupon from Kellogg's Family Rewards, and then submit to Ibotta for 2 50-cent rebates. That will make the 2 of them just $1.98 or 99 cents per box. And if you don't already have the Ibotta rebate app, of course, there's going to be a link in the description box down below. You're going to get a $10 bonus when you submit for your first offer with that link or referral code ywektyq. Another food deal is on the Chips Ahoy. They are 2 for $7 for the regular size packages. And when you buy 2, you'll get back a $2 extra care buck. We do have a $1 off 2 instant coupon from last week. It's not showing as attaching in the app, but when you use it at the register, it is going to attach and come off. You'll pay $6, get back the $2 in extra care bucks, making it just $4 for both, or $2 each, so not a bad deal. Let's go over a breakdown for the spend 45, get $15 extra care buck, and spend 30, get a $10 extra care buck spend scenario for this week. I'm really excited about this because we rarely get spend 30, get 10s that include Tide. So one breakdown for what you can do for a spend 45, get 15 is pick up 2 of the Neutrogena sunscreens. The lotions that are SPF 45 are $12.99. At buy one get one 40% off, it's going to be $20.78 for the 2 of them. Then you're going to grab one of the Tide Pods at $12.99, and although I only have 1 pictured, grab 2 of the $6.49 Persil liquids. Now that should bring your total to $46.75. We're going to be utilizing a 5 off 20 Neutrogena Sun CRT as well as a 5 off 30 your next purchase email coupon. Those two coupons add up to 50, so you're going to want to throw in a couple more items that you're not using spend CRTs on. Examples that don't require spend CRTs are like the CoverGirl deal this week, the NYX deal this week, or the Sure deodorant deal this week. So get your total up to $50 with another filler item. Then you're going to use that 5 off 20 Neutrogena Sun CRT along with a 4 off 2 printable coupon for Neutrogena Sun products. And that printable coupon is going to glitch with the 4 off 2 digital coupon for Neutrogena Sun products. Also pair in a $3 Neutrogena Sun CRT. For the Persil, use two $2 coupons, either from printable coupons from coupons.com that'll be linked in the description box down below, the digital version, or the insert version from the Mace 20-second inserts. That'll give you a total of $4 off the 2 bottles of Persil, and then use the $3 digital for the Tide Pods. After all of the coupons, including the 5 off 30 email coupon, you should end up paying just $18.75, getting back the $15 extra care buck for spending $45. Makes all 5 items just $3.75, and that's including Tide Pods, 2 Persil, and 2 Neutrogena sunscreens. That is an amazing deal. Another simpler spend 30, get 10 scenario is on these products. So you're going to want to grab 2 of the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer SPF 70 sunscreens. These are $11.49 at my store at least, and they're buy one get one 40% off. And then you're going to grab 2 of the Persils at $6.49 each. For all 4 items, your total is going to come to $31.36. You're going to want to use a 5 off 30 your next purchase email CRT, and then you're going to want to use a $4 paper printable coupon off of 2 Neutrogena sunscreen. That is going to glitch with the 4 off 2 digital for the Neutrogena sunscreen. And then use 2 $2 Persil coupons, either from printables or the inserts from May 22nd, or we also have digitals as well. After all the coupons, you're going to end up paying $14.36. Getting back that $10 extra care buck makes all 4 items only $4.36. One final spend 30, get 10 scenario is on 4 of the Persil and 1 of the Scott paper towels. The Persil are $6.49, the Scott is $5.99. Your total for all 5 items is going to come to $31.95. You're again going to use the 5 off 30 CRT. Some people may have gotten that at the bottom of their receipt last week. Otherwise, you might have gotten it from CVS email list or CVS text. Then you're going to want to use a combination of 4 $2 Persil coupons. You can use them from the inserts from May 22nd, the printable coupons available in the description box down below from coupons.com, or the digital version. Then you're going to use a $1 digital for the Scott paper towels. After everything, you're going to end up paying $17.95, getting back a $10 extra care buck, makes all 5 items just $7.95. All detergent is on sale for $3.99 this week. I had a $1.50 digital and also a $1 CRT on one of my cards, which brought one bottle down to just $1.49, which is a pretty good price. I'm also going to watch out for Ibotta rebates throughout the week, because sometimes those will randomly pop up. The next deal is another sunscreen deal. I'm really loving all the sunscreen deals because I go through it like crazy, and it's so awesome getting it for free and cheap. So you're going to want to pick up 2 of the Banana Boat Kids sticks. These are buy one, get one 50% off, and they're buy 2, get a $2 extra care buck. At my store, these kids sports sticks are $8.49. So at buy one, get one 50% off for 2 of them, it's going to be $12.74. You're going to want to use a $4 off 2 digital, and that's going to glitch and work with another $2 off 1 digital. So both will come off. And then I also used a $4 any Banana Boat sunscreen CRT. I ended up paying $2.74, getting back the $2 extra care buck. It makes both of them just 74 cents. Now let's get into some amazing hair care deals. And the reason why I'm loving the hair care deals this week is because since we're getting back 10% in beauty bucks for the next 2 weeks, that's going to give us a lot of extra beauty bucks. So the first hair care deal is a Tresemme deal. They're 2 for $10, and we just got a 5 off 2 digital coupon. Now, if you still have the 4 off 2 May Unilever insert coupons that expired on May 14th, go ahead and use that 4 off 2 insert coupon. It's going to glitch and work with the 5 off 2 digital. You're going to end up paying $1 but getting back a $2 extra care buck. Will make the two of these a $1 moneymaker. Another great deal this week is on the Garnier Fructis. It's 2 for $8, and we just got a 3 off 2 printable coupon and a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So you're going to use both of those in conjunction, and they are going to glitch and both come off. You're going to end up paying just $2 for 2 or $1 each, which I normally would never pay that much for the Garnier Fructis, but because we're going to incorporate it into a 4 off 25 hair care scenario, it's going to end up being a really great deal. The next deal is on the Dove dry shampoo. I really love this stuff, so I wanted to incorporate a deal with it, and I'm sure you would love it as well. Definitely try this stuff out. It's like the best drugstore dry shampoo. So these are $7.99 regularly priced for some of the varieties. The cheaper varieties are $7.79, so I grabbed those. At buy one, get one 50% off for 2 of them, it's going to come to $11.69, and then when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $4 extra care buck. I had a $2 Dove hair care CRT, and then from the May Unilever insert that also expired on May 14th, there is a 3 off 2 Dove hair care coupon that is going to work on these. You'll end up paying just $6.69 for the 2 of them. Getting back the $4 extra care buck will make the 2 of them just $2.69. Again, we're going to incorporate this into a 4 off 25 hair care CRT scenario. And if you don't want to do the Dove dry shampoo, you can instead do the Not Your Mother's travel size dry shampoos at $3.59. These are again going to be buy one, get one 50% off. So for 2 of these, your total is going to come to just $5.39. But then you're going to get back a $4 extra care buck, which will make the 2 of these just $1.39. Here is a 4 off 25 hair care scenario. You could also use a 4 off 18 hair care CRT if that's what you have instead. So you're first going to grab 2 of the Tresemme hair care for $10, 2 of the Garnier Fructis for 2 for $8, and 2 of the Dove dry shampoo. These are $7.79, and buy one, get one 50% off. Your total for the 6 items is going to be $29.69. You're going to use the 4 off 25 shampoo and conditioner or hair care CRT. Then you're going to use the 4 off 2 Unilever May insert coupon for the Tresemme. That's going to glitch with the 5 off 2 new digital that we just got. You're going to use a 3 off 2 printable coupon or insert coupon for the Garnier Fructis. That's going to glitch with the 3 off 2 digital that we got. And then you're going to use a $2 Dove hair care CRT for the dry shampoos, as well as a 3 off 2 Dove hair care May Unilever insert coupon. That one did expire on May 14th, as did the Tresemme coupon. After all the coupons, you're going to end up paying $5.69, getting back $2 in extra care bucks for the Tresemme and $4 in extra care bucks for the Dove dry shampoo. Makes all 6 items a 32-cent moneymaker. Don't forget, we're also going to get 10% back on our initial beauty spend before any coupons or CRTs, and that will come back to us in 2 weeks once the beauty event is done, which will make this an even bigger moneymaker. The next deal I picked up was on Dove deodorant. Select Dove deodorant are spend $15, get a $5 extra care buck this week. So I grabbed 1 of the Dove Men Plus Care 0% dry sprays for $9.49 and 1 of the Dove Women's Advanced Care deodorants for $7.99. For the 2 items, my total came to $17.48. I used a 3 out of 15 deodorant CRT. I used a $2 digital coupon for the Dove Men Plus Care dry spray deodorant. And then I used an expired $1.25 May Unilever insert coupon for the Dove deodorant. That was for $1.25 off 1. After all coupons, I ended up paying $11.23, getting back the $5 extra care buck for spending $15. Makes it just $6.23 for the 2 of them. But then I submitted to Ibotta for $4 back on the Dove Men Plus Care 0% and for $2 back on the Dove Women's Deodorant Stick. That made both items just 23 cents for the 2 of them. The Shirt and Brute deodorant are on sale for $2 this week, and you'll get back a $2 extra care buck when you buy one, making them completely free. So definitely don't forget to pick up your free deodorant this week. Anybody can do this deal. I prefer the Brute because the Brute actually doesn't have an expiration date, so it will stay in my stockpile good forever. If you need a filler item to use like an 8 off 40 or 5 off 30 CRT, the Different is really good if you have the same CRTs as I have. The Different toner is $9.79. I received a $5 CRT this week and a $4 CRT last week, totaling $9, which would make the toner just 79 cents. Gillette razors this week are buy two, get an $8 extra care buck. That's for both Gillette and Venus razors. They did raise the price of the 3-blade razors for Gillette and Venus from $10 to $10.99. So what you want to do is pick up two of the $10.99 razors. You could pick up one of the women's Venus 3 razors and one of the Gillette Mach 3, totaling $21.98 for both. Use a 4 off 20 Gillette or Venus CRT, or you could use a 5 off 20 shave CRT if you have it. I think more people have the 4 off 20s though this week. And then you would use two $3 digitals, one for the Venus and one for the Gillette. You would end up paying $11.98, but getting back an $8 extra care buck would make the two of them just $3.98, or about $1.99 each. I would only recommend doing this deal if you have like a 6 off 30 shave CRT and you paired it in with the next deal that's on Schick disposable razors. The Schick and Skintimate disposable razors are $5.99 each, and when you buy 3, you'll get back a $5 extra care buck. So pick up 3 for $17.97 and use 3 $4 either printable, insert, or digital coupons for the disposable razors. You'll end up paying $5.97, getting back a $5 extra care buck, makes the 3 of them just 97 cents. If you pair these in with a 6 off 30 shave CRT with the Gillette and Venus, both sets of razors will be a really great deal. The next deal is on one of my favorite things to coupon for, which is makeup wipes. Neutrogena Cosmetics are buy two, get a $6 extra care buck this week, and the 21 count Cosmetic makeup wipes in the Cosmetic end cap section are $7.49 each, or $14.98 for the two of them. You're going to want to use a 3 off 10 Neutrogena makeup wipe CRT, as well as two $3 printable coupons, or you can use the digital. These printables, I believe, are no longer available, but if you printed them last week or the week before, you should still have them. After all the coupons, you'll end up paying $5.98, getting back the $6 extra care buck, makes them a 2-cent moneymaker, but then you're going to submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on each pack, which will make the two of them a $1.52 moneymaker. NYX Cosmetics are buy two, get a $6 extra care buck this week, and we also got a $3 instant CRT for NYX Cosmetics. So you're going to want to pick up two of the lip liners for $4.19 each. It'll be $8.38 for the two of them. Use that $3 NYX CRT and pay just $5.38, getting back your $6 extra care buck will make the two of them a 62-cent moneymaker. CoverGirl Cosmetics are also buy two, get a $6 extra care buck this week, and we got a $4 instant coupon, as well as a bunch of new digital and printable high-value coupons. So one deal would be grabbing two of the CoverGirl Professional mascaras for $7.29 each, or $14.58 for the two of them. Use your $4 CoverGirl Instant CRT, as well as two of the $4 printable or digital eye product coupons. You'll pay $2.58, getting back that $6 extra care buck will make both of them a $3.42 moneymaker. If your store doesn't have any of the cheap eye products, you could instead grab two of the Perfect Point Plus eyeliners for $8.29. You'll pay $16.58 for the two of them. Use the $4 instant CRT, as well as the two $4 eye product digital or printable coupons, and you're going to pay just $4.58, getting back the $6 extra care buck will still make them a $1.42 moneymaker. Check your Hallmark card CRTs. I received two 3 off 6 Hallmark CRTs, one last week and one this week, and my store had new 99-cent cards for both Nurses Day and for graduation. So for 6 of those 99-cent cards, the total will come to $5.94. Stacking the two 3 off 6 Hallmark card CRTs will take off $6, but it'll adjust down to $5.94, making all 6 cards completely free.
I appreciate you guys so much for watching this week's CVS video. Don't forget to check me out on TikTok and Instagram and follow me on both platforms at kaylakoupons. Leave this video a like, subscribe if you want to stay notified when all of my videos are posted, and definitely check out the description box for any rebate apps that you don't already have and to print the new printable coupons.